Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 8th day of the 12 days of baked goods, and today we are doing these ginger snap cookies. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. We're going to start with a clean bowl, and we're going to put our butter in here, soften that up, mix it up a little bit. Then to that we're going to add our sugar, our salt, and mix that together. Don't forget to use your spatula to clean the bowl so you incorporate everything well. And then we're going to add our egg to this and mix that well. Don't forget to always scrape your bowl so that you combine everything well. Now place that aside and we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So our flour, our baking soda, our cinnamon, nutmeg, and our ginger. And combine that all well, give it a good whisk. And then bring back the butter mixture, and to that we're going to add our molasses and give it a good mix. Scrape your bowl one more time. And we're going to add half of the flour mixture to this. Combine well. Keep mixing it until it all incorporates well, and then scrape your bowl down one more time. Doing this just allows all your ingredients to make sure they combine. And then we're going to add that second half of the flour mix and mix it all well. I'm going to use my hand to combine all this. And you can also set your oven to 350 degrees now. Move that aside and get your baking pan. I'm going to be using this half sheet pan with parchment paper. You're going to bake these for about 15 minutes. You may need to bake them a little longer depending on your oven. Once they are done and completely cooled, we're going to start dipping them. I'm going to be dipping them in some white chocolate. I'm only going to be dipping about half of it into that. You can decorate the cookies however you like, or you can just completely skip the step and just leave them as they are. I wanted to add that little extra festive decoration to it. Once they're done being dipped, I'm going to let them dry and harden, and then with some royal icing, I'm going to start adding the decorations. So with this red royal icing, I'm just adding the dots, these red dots. And then I'm going to be using some green royal icing for leaves. And just repeat this with all of your cookies. And here are these ginger snap cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all my recipes. And until next time, stay sweet.